Let's look at the length of a segment on a Cartesian plane. Suppose we have a Cartesian plane like that. This is x, that one is y, and we have a segment which is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now let's draw a vertical line and then a horizontal line. What we see here is a right angle triangle, and this will become our hypotenuse. So A and B. So to get C, we will always say A squared plus B. But what is B in this case? Or what is A? So A here, A will be equal to x2 minus x1. B here will be equal to y2 minus y1. So I'm saying this, I'm putting this one, that is the absolute value of that. That means it can be squared. So let's say now, so A squared, C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. That's our Pythagorean theorems. Now, we can just use all that, substitute it into B and A. So C in this case is x x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 squared. Now you can replace this one because we are looking at the distance or the length from here to there. So let's replace that with d, which is just d squared. Now we will have a nice formula that says d squared is equal to x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Now, if you want to get d, will be the square root of all that. x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So let's see some example. So suppose you are given that equation or that example. So how do you go about it? So we have already driven that, or we derive the formula x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, all under root. So in this case, our x2 is the one on P. So our x2 is 10, x1 is negative 14, y2 is 17, y1 is equal to 27. So these are our values now. So let's use them. So d under root, so it's going to be 10 minus 14 squared plus 17 minus 27 squared. So this is 24 squared plus negative 10 squared. So that one is 576 plus 100. Minus doesn't matter because you are squaring. So it's C. So D here is 5, 576 plus 100. This will give you 676. The square root of that is 26. Now we have found the length or the segment PQ. Thanks for your time.